That's not how that's done. There are toilet plungers and drain plungers. Those bulb-shaped plungers, save those for the bowl. For sinks and drains, go with the classic shape. Good for drains all around the house. Most clogs are a simple blockage that can be cleared with manual suction. The best way to keep your pipes clear is to avoid solids in the first place. So before you reach for chemicals or call a plumber, try the plunger instead. Did you get locked out? Lost your spare? Key doesn't work right? Don't call a locksmith, do it yourself. You can easily make duplicates of most physical keys. Make sure to start with the original key. Copies of copies may not work as well. For most home keys, you can do this all by yourself in less than a minute, while other keys may require special assistance. Don't wait to need extra keys. It's always nice to have some spares of your most important keys on hand. My top secret hiding spot. Great for house guests, a service worker, friends and family, or a trusted neighbor. And be sure to label and keep track of those copies. Do not duplicate. You know those keys you have and you don't know what they go to? I'm gonna show you how to keep track of all those keys. Use your camera to create your own key log. I like to use a Post-it, label what the key is for, and place it right underneath the label. And then take a picture, it'll last longer. Do that with all your keys for a simple digital log. You can create a photo album. I like to save them in notes or any other secure document. So when you're in doubt, simply match up the key's shape, size, and brand. Yep, that's the one. Be sure to add any other details or labels that are helpful. If you have multiple copies of the same key, it can be helpful to color code them. You can do that with colored Post-its, colorful permanent markers, craft paint, or keycaps. Once you're done, put them on an AirTag ring. You really won't lose them. What's the deal with all these adhesives? All these options to stick things together? Let me show you some good options. We know it, we love it, but save that Elmer's glue for craft projects only. It's good for kids, but we need a more grown-up adhesive. Choose a strong, multi-purpose glue that works on a variety of materials. Always make sure to read the instructions. Something like Gorilla Glue requires moisture to activate. That can be a general-purpose glue you can use for multiple projects, indoors and out. You can apply pressure by adding weight or use some clamps. Something like E6000 is a good option if you need flexibility in your glue. It's perfect for things that might bend or shift slightly. Plus, it's gonna be waterproof and paintable. Of course, everybody knows about super glue, but I like to use the gel version. It's gonna be a lot easier to control, which means less mess. You can avoid dripping and it cures fast. This is good for simple indoor repairs. You can find specialty adhesives that bond specific materials. Whether it's plastic, glass, porcelain, or wood, choose the right glue for the job. I always recommend disposable gloves to keep that adhesive off your skin. Set down parchment paper or foil to protect surrounding surfaces. So the next time you're at the hardware store, no need to be overwhelmed. Happy gluing.